Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own 1099 taxes. First, gather all your income statements, like Form 1099 NEC, and organize your business expenses. Understanding your filing status and potential deductions is crucial before you begin. This initial preparation saves time and helps ensure accuracy. Make sure you have a clear picture of your financial situation to streamline the entire process. Next, accurately report all income from your Form 1099 NEC or other 1099 forms. It's vital to categorize and track every business-related expense, from office supplies to professional development. These expenses directly reduce your taxable income. After accounting for all income and expenses, you'll calculate your net profit or loss, which is the foundation for your tax liability. Keep detailed records for everything. Now, identify all eligible business deductions to significantly lower your taxable income. Common deductions include home office expenses, health insurance premiums, and business mileage. You'll also need to calculate your self-employment tax, which covers Social Security and Medicare contributions, typically around 15.3% of your net earnings. Consider making estimated tax payments quarterly to avoid any underpayment penalties. Finally, complete Schedule C, profit or loss from business, and Schedule SC, self-employment tax, ensuring all information is accurate. Double-check your entire return for any potential errors before submitting it. A thorough review can prevent future headaches and ensure you've claimed all eligible deductions. Remember, accuracy is key when dealing with the IRS. Also, if you love reading, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Filing your own taxes can be empowering, so take your time and do it right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.